Alright. These are June bugs that Peter has caught on the balcony for Pops to eat. There's something very wrong with this.
Eat them, eat them, eat them!
Eat it!
That's one.
It's still on your tongue after you thought you swallowed it. There's two. They're like making babies in there.
And three.
And three. That's disgusting. Yeah, okay, close your mouth, close your mouth, close your mouth. They're getting out.
That's nasty.
Oh, he's letting them swim around in a bathtub of Molson. Oh, there's still one on his tongue when he burped. Ah, it's still there. Okay, I can't see anymore. I'm a little creeped. Did it go bye-bye?
Stick your tongue out. All done?
Okay.